Washing dishes has never been as much fun as it is with this versatile dishwasher by Danby. This attractive machine comes with a silverware basket, an 8-place settings capacity and 4 different wash cycles. It's just 18 inches wide, 45.7 centimeters, meaning it can easily be installed in condos and apartments, and the convenient built-in casters allow you to move it around with ease. Your electricity bills won't take a beating with this smart and eco-friendly unit, as it boasts a valuable low water consumption function and is also Energy Star rated. The appliance features a durable stainless steel spray arm and interior, making it the ideal dishwasher for remote cottage locations. In addition, you'll find an automatic detergent dispenser and rinse agent dispenser, and the entire unit can easily be programmed by the state-of-the-art electronic controls. This highly efficient model also comes with a 12-month warranty on parts and labor with in-home service.